Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dayo Shotit Multimedia. So if this is your very first time on this channel, do it to like, share, subscribe, turn on the notification button so whenever I post content like this, you'll be the first person to view it. So today I'm going to be teaching us how I am using my EasyWorship as a full screen display and as a lower third display, like you can see on the screen right now. So this is the lower third, this is the full screen, and this is the full screen with the preacher right in my OBS. So I'm going to delete everything that I've done here, though it will take us a little time. So just be patient and watch till the end of this video. So I'm going to delete everything that I've created here and start from afresh, so you'll be able to see and you'll be able to understand how I came about this. So first of all, you need to go to your EasyWorship, go to edit, options, and here you have main output and alternative output. Make sure you set both of them on NDI stream, and don't forget to enable this. Then you say okay. So you come to your themes. So I want to use this lower third translation as my alternative output and use this as my default output for OBS. So let's test it. So here, as you can see, I have preview, I have the alternative output, which is the lower third, and I have my live view, which is the full screen. So let's leave it like this so we can monitor both of them. So let's go right into OBS. Here I have my scene 1, which is the screen recording I'm doing here. So I'm just going to create another scene, which is scene 2, and I'll just come here and copy my camera source. I'll just copy my camera source, put it on scene 2. I'll paste. I'm going to transform this to fit to screen. Now I have my camera output, which is this. Now I want to add my Bible source. I'll come to this plus sign I have here. Here I have NDI source. I'm going to name it Bible lower third, or just below. Okay, lower. So this is my lower. So I'm going to select my main output, which is the lower third I have here. So I'm going to select this to this. So I have my lower third here that is on my main camera. So I'm going to create another scene, which is my scene 3. And I'll add my camera. I can go back and copy my camera. So I'm just going to copy my camera. I'll come back to my scene. I'll paste my camera. I have my camera here. So I want to add my full screen Bible with my preacher together. So I'll come back to NDI. Then I'm going to put this as Bible. Then I'll put it full. So you know, you can rename it whatever you want to. So I'll just put it full. And I'll select my alternative, my main output, which is this. And I'll click OK. So I want to match this and my preacher. So I'm going to highlight my camera and I'll crop it. I'm going to crop it. So let's crop it. Alt key, hold your Alt key and you can crop. After holding your Alt key, then you can release and resize. Release and resize. So I like syncing my preacher and my scriptures together, let them be in the same lines. So this is it. To beautify this more, you can add a background to it if you wish. If you want to leave it plain black like this, but I'm going to add a background to my own. So I'm just going to come image BG. So I'm going to name my background as BG. I'll select my image. I have something that looks like my scripture background here. Expand it and I drag it down. So I have my preacher and my scriptures on one scene, and I have that same scriptures and that same scripture and my preacher on another screen. So this is lower third and this is full screen with preacher. So I'm going to have my Bible separately in case they want to see it very well. So I'm going to have my Bible separately. I'm going to open another scene 4, where I can just have my Bible. So I can copy this full screen. So I'm just going to highlight and I'll right click, a copy, go back to scene 4. I'll right click on the source and I'll paste. So this I can right click, transform, fit to screen. So I have 1, 2, 3 on my multi-view screen. So this is the lower third, right? This is lower third. This is full screen with preacher, and this is full screen with just the message and with just the scripture alone. So I'm going to change my Bible scripture. Let's do John 4:7. So you see that it automatically change in both scriptures. So this is John 4:7. We have it here. So let me just do transition. So this is John 4:7. This is it with my preacher. So I can just decide to change it. So this is the same John 4:7 in lower third. Then this is the same John 4:7, John 4:9 in full screen. So guys, if you find this video useful, do well to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Then see you in the next one. Thank you and God bless you.